My name is Minseong Kim, and I'm from South Korea. What I decided to study at Inforum is I searched for a lot of reviews, and I saw a wrong review that explained that Inforum is the best. So that's why I chose Inforum to study, and I think it is my best decision in my whole life. For me, Cambridge CAE was the best because the curriculum was well organized and the class was closed. So it was easier to improve my English skill. And also, I think I can feel the sense of improving my English skill all together with my classmates. So that's why I think Cambridge CAE was the best. I reckon they're helpful. So there was a workshop for every level, and I can not only study an extra study, but also met new students from any other class. And also for activity, it is really broad, related to culture or events or even travel. So I can experience a lot of Aussie things, and it was really good. So what I enjoyed most is nature. By being here, I can understand why this is called a Gold Coast. So there was a lot of places to swim without taking a bus. And also what I enjoyed most was covering wildlife sanctuary. So even I go there, I can touch a kangaroo with my bare hands. So it was really unique experience. So I don't remember the exact date, but there was a day which we can enjoy a barbecue party here. So by paying only for $2, I can enjoy a lot of barbecue, which was really delicious. And also, it was available to enjoy an Aussie style barbecue, so that was the most memorable part even for